Welcome! We're excited to show you how easy control can be while sleeping, using the sleep activity feature of Control-IQ technology from Tandem Diabetes Care. To learn about how to use Control-IQ technology while exercising or without using any activity settings, please watch our other videos. A great feature of Control-IQ technology is the ability to allow the system to target a narrower glucose range while you're sleeping. When the sleep activity is turned on, either manually or by using the sleep schedule function, the upper limit of the Control-IQ treatment range changes from 160 milligrams per deciliter to 120 milligrams per deciliter, keeping the lower limit at 112.5. This means that when Control-IQ technology predicts your glucose will be above 120 milligrams per deciliter in the next 30 minutes, the system will increase your basal insulin delivery. When the sleep activity is turned on, the system will not deliver automatic correction boluses. There are two ways to turn on the sleep activity, manually or by using sleep schedules. To activate sleep manually, from the home screen, tap Options and tap Activity. Then tap Start, which is located next to Sleep. You will see a screen confirming that sleep has been activated. You will then be taken back to the home screen, where the sleep icon will be displayed in the upper left-hand corner of the CGM graph. To manually deactivate the sleep activity, simply repeat this process and tap Stop. You can also set up two different sleep schedules, which will automatically turn sleep on and off at pre-programmed times. For example, you can use one schedule for weekdays and the other for weekends. Setting a sleep schedule is easier than remembering to turn sleep on at night and off again in the morning. To set these schedules, navigate back to Activity and tap Sleep Schedules. Then select one of the two sleep schedules to set it up. You can select any or all days of the week, as well as the time you want the sleep function to start and end on those days. These times should reflect the time you generally go to sleep and wake up. They don't have to be exact. It's recommended that you schedule the sleep activity for a minimum of 5 hours. Keep in mind, a sleep schedule won't start if an exercise activity is enabled. Once you have your schedule set, tap the blue checkmark icon in the upper right-hand corner and the schedule will automatically be saved. Both sleep schedules can be used, as long as the times don't overlap. If you wish to stop using sleep schedules, tap the schedule you want to turn off, tap the toggle button to turn it off, then tap the blue check mark to save. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit tandemdiabetes.com/controliq to learn more about the t:slim X2 Insulin Pump with Control-IQ technology.